Hey there, sunshine. So here in my hands, I have a brand new subscription box from a company that we've never tried before together. And this is the Israel pack. And then it says, with love from Israel. So basically, I got this sent to me by the company that makes this box. So I have absolutely no idea what is inside of this box. I have no idea what to expect. But just so you know, like, I'm doing this for a free review. I got this sent to me for free in exchange for a review, just so I can be upfront and honest with you guys. But let's see what's inside of this bad boy, because I'm very excited. Okay, so I have no idea what's inside of the box. I have no idea the price point. So that's how good of a reviewer that I am. But I will include the information for this company in the description box down below. Let's get started. I'm excited. Oops. Okay, so we have some papers up top. So this first catalog, it says your summer vacation in Israel. Discover the products and the creators. Oh, so it's got the stuff that we have inside of this box in this little pamphlet. So we're gonna put that aside. And then it has another card that says invite a friend and get a free box. So it has that information there. And then we have this Israel trip of a lifetime vacation without leaving home. Your Holy Land highlights itinerary, your guide to enjoying the best of Israel. So that's what it says there. And then it unfolds. Oh, this is so cool. It's like this maps that you get to like the zoo. Oh, so we've got souvenir shopping. We've got famous locations, and then we've got this really big map. So that's amazing. I'm scared of airplanes. I don't know if I will ever travel in my life, but if I did, like, if I was somebody who traveled on the reg, I would save this map for when I go to Israel, if that was a place I was gonna go. Again, I don't travel, so. And then we've got this yellow tissue paper with Israel pack on it. So we've got a lot of packaging peanuts. So I'm going to do my best to not make a mess with these because I don't want to clean them up. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull everything out. Everything is really wrapped up, so I have no idea what is in here as I pull everything out. Okay, so I went ahead, I went through the box carefully. I went through and got everything out, and I'm really, really impressed with how cute the packaging is, because even though everything's like wrapped up in white tissue paper, I did see that some things say, eat me, read me. I saw one that said, smell me. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go through and we're gonna see what's in here. Okay, so this first thing says, read with me and I will become your favorite book's best friend. This bookmark was created by an Israelite artist in collaboration with the Israel Museum, which features the most extensive holdings of biblical and Holy Land archaeology in the world. That's so amazing. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what is in here. Ooh, it's making a noise. Can we hear it? Okay. So I'm not gonna, well, I will try to pronunciate some names. I'm not familiar with Hebrew at all. So if there's anything on here, if you know how to read or speak Hebrew, kudos to you. I do not. And I'm sad about that because it sounds like such a pretty language. Wow. Okay, I was expecting this to be metal. I really was not expecting this to be metal. Holy crap, I'm holding amazing art in my hand. Wow. Look at that. And then the back, and it's a very, like, it's metal. It's very thin. I love the scalloping on the edging. Holy smokes. Wow, that is so beautiful. That is not at all what I was expecting. Like, boom, first item, and I'm like blown away by the art on here. That's absolutely breathtaking. I don't even feel worthy holding that beautiful art. Wow, okay, so let's move on to the next thing in here. I've got one that says, eat me. Guilt-free peanut butter chocolate cookies. Your taste buds will confuse this healthy snack for a dessert. Low sugar, low carb, high in protein. Okay, let's see what it's about. Oh my goodness, they look yummy. They look so chocolatey. So peanut butter and chocolate cookies. I'm going to pull off the little tab. 5G protein per cookie. And then it says high plant-based protein cookie, vegan. Ooh, they smell really peanut buttery. Okay, let's go ahead, see what it looks like and tastes like. So I definitely get a lot of chocolate in here. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. That is honestly one of the worst things that I do. So at first, I didn't really like the peanut butter taste. But now that that's kind of like, I don't think it's like peanut butter in the way that I know peanut butter. Like I usually go for the whipped peanut butters because those are my favorite. But the chocolate taste was really nice. It wasn't like cheap tasting. And that kind of really quickly replaced the peanut butter taste that I wasn't really a huge fan of. Okay, the next thing that I have here, it says smell me. And I will show you the golden city of Jerusalem. This soap is inspired by the song Jerusalem of Gold, an unofficial anthem of Israel, full of biblical references and describing the Jewish people's 2,000-year-long longing to return to Jerusalem. Okay, opening it up. We're gonna see what's inside. We know it's a soap. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, we're gonna open it up. This is blowing me away. Honestly, this is not at all what I was expecting. On the back, it says, premium handmade soap made with love. My mouth is still really salivating from the chocolate and peanut butter. So sorry for all the noises. This, I don't even know if I would ever open this. This is absolutely stunning. I love the mica on top. Just so we can get a better idea, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Holy crap. Is it bad to say crap when I'm like holding things from Israel? I really don't know. I'm sorry if I'm offending anybody. It's not my intention. Absolutely breathtaking. I wasn't expecting this level of art. I was just expecting some like, this is from Israel and it not really like looking like anything from Israel. That's kind of what I had in mind when I opened this box up, but so far this is very impressive. Okay, so I've got this Don't Judge Me by cover. Just because I'm made from upcycled materials doesn't mean I'm not an art piece. Original eco-friendly artwork featured in Tel Aviv Illustration Week. I'm not about to have my mind blown. I am not prepared. Okay. Oh, that is so interesting. Oop, I almost just dropped it. I think it's a card. But nope, it's not a card. So, but I would maybe like, I don't know, I would use this as a card because it just looks like one to me. Like you have a little right on the back. That's very, very interesting. Something very different. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, the next says, apply me to your cuticles. This oil treatment will bring you to the nail salon. Naturally rich in minerals. It will also keep your cuticles moisturized and stimulate healthy nail growth. I love the little quick to read information on the stickers. So this says Spa Nail Hardener. Oh yes, I'm all about that. Okay. And then it has directions in English and another language, which I'm assuming is Hebrew. And then this is what the little bottle looks like. So cute. Absolutely love it. And a nail hardener. That's not something that I ever see in like any of my subscription boxes. So that was something very different. I have here, it says, eat me. This is the most biblical snack because it's made up of only 2 ingredients. And both are mentioned in the Bible multiple times. Dates and almonds, no sugar added. Tamar and 100% almond paste. I'm not going to try this. I don't like almonds. I mean, I don't like dates, and I have a nut sensitivity. I know that I just ate the peanut butter, but that's it for the day. I have to be careful if I eat too many nuts basically in one sitting. Otherwise, I get really bad eczema on my hands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and be careful. So I like that we're getting like a large variety of different products in here. A little bit of art, a little bit of snacks, a little bit of self-care. Absolutely beautiful balance, and I like how nothing is like tiny. Okay, the next thing I have in here is this. It looks like a block of cheese. Sprinkle me on everything and I will add an amazing and authentic Israeli zest to any dish you cook. This za'atar, excuse me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, is a multi-purpose spice. It comes from Galilee, the area blessed with many herbs that have the best aromatic flavor in the world. Ooh, this sounds so amazing. So I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's inside. Maybe I opened it up wrong. It's probably better if I open it up this way. That way the tube can actually come out. I can't wait. Oh smells so good. I don't even know how to describe that scent. I have no idea how to describe it. It's like, oh, it smells like bright, but also like zesty. Like, I don't know. I wish I could just like hand it all over to you, but this is a plastic bottle. I think this is super different and exciting. Okay, well, let's see what else we have. We have this apply me to your nails and that will bring your fingers a little joy. Dreaming about manicure during quarantine? This nail hardener packed with minerals from the Dead Sea will strengthen and beautify your nails. So that sounds like a lot like the other product that we already received. This also says Bio Spa and it says oil treatment for nails. Let's open it up. I kind of am wondering if it's not maybe accidentally got sent the same product twice. So this, no, they're two different products. They're both from the same company. This is the one that I already opened up. This is the Bio Spa Nail Hardener and this is the Bio Spa oil treatment for nails. So that's cool. We almost have like a full-on man. We just need some nail polish and we all good. We have our trip to the spa. Okay, I have this which says wear me and I will protect you with style. A face mask. Wow. From Tel Aviv fashion designer turns hygiene into cultural expression. Oh, it's really pretty too, and how thoughtful for during quarantine. That this is like priceless almost, like during COVID and everything. Wow. That's absolutely amazing. Okay. This is so cute. So it's like double-sided. So we have this beautiful, absolutely stunning fabric on this side. So you get a better understanding of what it looks like. And then on this side, we've got this cute spring-like, oh, it's so cute, so bright and colorful. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely amazing. And it's like, it feels really thick too. Okay, that was so thoughtful. That's absolutely amazing. I have yet to see a subscription box do that, so round of applause for you guys. Okay, and the last thing in here says, eat me, guilt-free berry candies, natural, delicious, and sugar-free. Nothing but real fruit, vegan-friendly. Okay. Oh, the little fruit snacks, exotic fruit snacks. I see blueberries and raspberries on this. So I'm not sure what the exotic part of the fruit is. Maybe that's something that's not grown over in Israel. Again, I'm not very cultured, so I have absolutely no idea. But this is the last thing that we got in here. Okay, let's take a look and see if we get offered any price points in this catalog. So, oh my gosh, it has a full-on like breakdown of everything in English for the peanut butter cookies that we got, including ingredients. That's so nice. And then it also has a little information about the bakery that it comes from. The snacks, like, that's really cool. Okay, so the company that, so the company that did the dates and the berry, fruit snacks come from the same company, and they got a little information and pictures. That's so cool. I'm gonna see if it has a little description of what is in here. This is a spice mixture that has been popular in the Middle East for centuries. A typical Middle Eastern breakfast to this. Okay, wait, so that's about breakfast. I wish that I could. Ooh, this product is packed by workers with special needs. This is. So it has, I'm going to butcher this pronunciation. I'm really sorry. Mahora Cyarical sesame, elm-leaved sumac, citric acid, and salt is what is in this. So that's cool. I don't know if you guys know what those things are. I certainly don't. I know what some of them are, but not all of them. So yeah, that's really, really cool that we get all of this information in here. So that is everything that I got in this box. Would you guys like to see this box again on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.